Satsang means usually I have seen some 50 people or 60 people. That is called satsang actually where I have been to in the Himalayas, ashram, wherever. He says, satsang, how many people? Some 10,000, 15,000. Actually, I have seen Gurudev Ji in photos, in TVs, some videos, in person. So once actually from Bangalore, I was about to go to Chennai, but some technical problem. The flight was not on time. So the crew actually in the airport, they said, please sit in a lounge. So anytime they will announce, then we can go. So I was waiting, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, nothing. Then suddenly in that lounge, actually everybody is completely like electrifying. Everybody is happy, jumping. So much, this thing, everybody going through door. I thought some Prime Minister has come, something like that. I saw the Gurudev is standing there. So much actually then he came and he sat in front of me. So just how you are everything. Just I'm saying straight 3 feet away, Gurudev. I could see so much happiness in his face. Face, eyes, eyebrow, chin, lip, hair, body. No, it is jubilant. Jubilant. I was only looking at him. It was like some poorest man, if he gets some 50 crores lottery, how happy he would be. Like that happiness. And I have seen saints, but this is amazing. Then Swamiji invited me, come ashram. So we'll go to Himalayas. Here also you experience it. You can definitely, I'm telling you, you will enjoy ashram, he said. So I got time, then a 2 days plan. I came here, first time I'm entering inside. A beautiful villa is there, they provided me. So what a beautiful, I never imagined. What a beautiful ashram, full greenery, lake, and people, all smile, happiness in their face. Even maids, Gurkhas, gardener, everybody. There is elephant, horses, hundreds of cows, and 2 horses. One horse's name is Rajini. And morning, Vedagosha, hundreds of Nachiketa, Prahalada, that kind of children. What a fantastic. I enjoyed the presence really. After Himalayas, really I enjoyed this ashram. And I planned for 2 days, but I stayed for 15 days. Am I taking too much time, Gurudev?
Yeah, take your time.
Some auspicious day, lot of bhaktas, devotees, were hundreds, thousands were there. So Gurudev told me, I'm going to give a darshan. Can you come with me? He said, Gurudev, it's a lot of disturbance for you if I come with you. I told him, no problem, no disturbance, come. I thought naturally people will there, they will know, Rajini, autograph, sign again, photo, video. When I come there, I saw a lot of Tamil people also. I said, my God, what to do? Gurudev called, okay. Gurudev was sitting left side, I was sitting right side. He said, come pretty bhaktas throughout, come pretty thousands, they're standing. To be frank with you, I'm not lying. Not even a single person looked at me. Forget about photo, signature, not even a single person. I am waving hi, no one looked at me. No, I went with many politicians, my industrialists, and also, but they crushed my ego actually. So after reaching Villa, Gurudev asked, no disturbance, he said. इधर डिस्टर्ब हो गया इधर डिस्टर्ब हो गया. That is the power of spirituality. That is the power of spirituality. Stardom comes and goes. A limited time it stays. But this stardom is supreme stardom. Even after their demise, the stardom stays forever. In fact, it grows multiple. It grows. ಮಾನವ ಜನ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡದೋ, ಅದು ಹಾನಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಡಿ ಹುಚ್ಚಪ್ಪಗಳಿರ. Purandarasa, great saint, his human birth is very auspicious. To get human birth is not so easy. After getting human birth, yes, healthy body, peaceful mind, to get good mind is very difficult. After getting that, to wish to know yourself, it is very difficult. After human birth, good health, and after wish to know yourself, then to teach you, to lead you, getting a good guru is very difficult. Getting good guru, not that kind of gurus. So after getting such a wonderful guru like Sri, we should not miss this opportunity. Near Bhadrari, when it's 10 days of silence in Penance, actually he was blessed with Sudarshana Kriya. Transformed into pranayam, practiced in Mudugala, the spinal cord. So Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anata, Vishuddha, Agna, Sahasrara, and Vishishta. That technique, there is a shortcut of getting God consciousness. That is actually Swamiji Gurudev is completely we are so blessed actually, because these are the ancient techniques, very secret and very sacred. All rishis and saints actually, they won't reveal so easily. You have to be there with their 30 years, 40 years. You have to serve them. Then only you will get initiation. Luckily, he is initiating everybody. So nice. Blessed. The power. That is the power. Spiritual power. Make use of that. Really being near him, to hear his voice. His drishti is a son of, I am blessed, sitting here, spending so much time. All this is because of Guru's grace, God's grace. God bless. Gurudev, please be with us. We want, of course. With healthy body, you should be there physically, you should be there long time, and I pray God your good health. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you.